talk about what you want to make here.
Yeah.
So tell me about it, and then what you're going to do is on your paper there, you're going to write down what it looks like when we're done.
Yeah.
When you're happy with it, and you've tested it, and it works like you want. So, what do you want? What do you want to make?
So what I want to build is basically a plugin in FLStudio in which I can drop any sort of 808 sample straight into this plugin, and then I can change it around. I can change the length, I can change the velocity, the attack, and just a bunch of things, so it can sound. It can have like a very versatile set of sounds that I can use in my.
When you say drop an 808, is that a wave file? Like what is?
Yeah,
that?
it's like so.
Like, do you download one from some
Yeah,
place?
yeah. So I can download. There's like basic ones like the Spins 808, which is used in a lot of like beats.
Okay.
So I already have them downloaded on my computer.
Right.
So I could drop the file straight into the plugin, and then like in the plugin area, and then from there I can edit how it sounds.
Okay, so then you edit how it sounds, and then what happens when you, like, what is it that you actually visually see on your screen? What does it look like that you would mess with?
Sometimes the waveforms can like lengthen, or they can go.
Oh, so you want to actually show the waveform?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, so all that you can change like reverb and everything like that. So visually, sometimes it just shows waveforms, or if you can lengthen it, then it'll go from maybe just about this, and it can lengthen to a longer note. You know what I mean? And then. So it's just stuff like that. So
what about like, is it a knob that you change?
Yeah, so you would have
slider?
so you'd have like
put
dials.
Numbers?
Yeah, so it's more like it's more like dials where you can turn it like a knob.
So like an analog dial. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so how many of those, and what do they each do?
So about 10. So I would probably say I would want to do like an attack, something to like lengthen the note itself.
Okay.
Maybe like reverb, and just. So
you don't have to have a lot. You can just start small.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start writing stuff down then.
Okay.
So basically what I want you to write is say, success means I have a plugin working in FLStudio, and then you go ahead and start talking whenever you're ready.
Yep.
That I can drag and drop a, what is it?
Like a file, like a 808 file.
808 file, and maybe give an example.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, just write it. Just go ahead and write what you want to write. Right?
Success means I have.
Okay, go ahead and write it.
Okay.
All right.
So you want me to read this out loud?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So success means I have a plugin within FLStudio in which I can drop an 808 file, spins, zay, etc. into the plugin and change a lot of different things about it. For example, the length of the note, the attack, how much reverb it has, and from there I can make melodies straight from the piano roll in FL.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's perfect. That's what we have as success. So that's what we're going to start with.
Yeah.
So in the interface here, go ahead and start screen recording.
Okay.
Great. Okay, so basically what we're going to do now is we're going to tell it, we're going to interact with this assistant. And you're going to think about this as, this is whatever I could answer for you as a professional who knows how to do this stuff.
Yeah.
I'm going to help you ask that to tell you how to do it in the language that you're comfortable with.
Yep.
So we now have our success criteria.
Yeah.
And so what we need to do is we need to give context to this system.
Yeah.
Right? This chat thing, interface, about what we want to do, why we're doing it, and what we have as tools available to us.
Yeah, okay.
So, start with, I am trying to do this, right? And this is success. In fact, you could just copy that almost verbatim there, right? And say, and I have a MacBook, right? This kind, I don't even know what kind was that.
It's a MacBook. I have no idea.
Well, we can look it up. You can say, hey, and you can actually write that in there, and that's what I want you to think about.
I think I actually said it right here.
Okay.
About this Mac. It's
MacBook Air there. So you can actually just, so make sure you get that, keep that info with the memory and all that kind of stuff, so that you can tell it what you're working with.
Yeah.
Right? Kind of, that's an important thing. So what I want you to do is, in your own language, type it, say, this is what I want to do. I want to make an FLStudio plugin. Success is, write that out.
Yep.
And then say, this is what I'm working with. Right? And my goal is to get this done as quickly as possible, basically.
Yeah.
And then start there. make sure you put in there where you put this 808, the spins, and that as an example.
Yeah.
Because that's very relevant.
Yeah.
And I would also even say something like, I have this type of file.
Yeah.
You can go look it up and click on the file and say, this is the kind of file I have.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
ETC is the...
Etc.
ETC.
Oh, that's, again?
Yep. I would say MacBook Air, not PC.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
It's not. Wait, we pay for that version, though.
So we tried. So basically, you did. So you paid for the basic producer version. But then I had troubles like logging in. And then so it just had the normal free version. And then I was like, oh well, the free version really isn't any different because for the stuff that I want to do anyways in the producer version, I have to pay money inside that anyways.
Okay. Well, then fine.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with this.
All right. Hit the button and let's get started. Oh. There you go. Does not support third party. So how are you getting? Let's read it.
Yeah.
Additionally, building a true plugin requires a C frame, which is okay. Not something that can be spun up quickly. I'd actually recommend. These are two realistic paths. Path one. So sampler.
Yep. With direct wave and sampler channel, you can drop any 808 WAV file directly into the sampler channel. Edit, attack, release, and pitch. Add reverb via mixer insert. Fruity Reverb 2 is stock. Play melodies from the piano roll immediately. This gets you 90% of what you described right now for free. Path 2. Build a standalone web-based 808 editor as a design/prototyping tool. I can build you a fully functional browser-based 808 sample with waveform display, attack envelope, and reverb controls. You use it to audition and shape your 808 sound. Then excerpt.
That sounds perfect.
For use in FLStudio. That sounds really cool.
Is it? But it's not a plugin. But it's a separate.
Yeah, it's separate outside of FLStudio, but I can still use it for my music. Yeah.
So now, how would you answer? Let's talk through. How would you answer now?
Yeah. Okay. So just write it or talk through it?
Well, let's talk about it before you write it.
Yeah. So I would answer.
How are you thinking about what's next for yourself?
Yeah, I'm thinking about the idea of a separate, I don't know, what would you call that? Like a separate application for dropping 808 samples in. Sounds like the best option to me. So it's like
because you can always. Because the other thing is you can always turn it into a plugin later. Yeah. Right. If it works the way you want it to work. Right. So then my suggestion is you would say, let's do path 2. Yeah. And make sure you tell it I've never built a standalone web-based 808 editor or any type of web anything. I'm a complete novice at this, but I'm willing to learn. Important to say. Yeah. And I can install whatever I need to install, and then I'll take advice on how to do that. Yeah. So go ahead. Okay. Say it in your words, right? Yep. And remember, you're trying to say, I want to do the work. Yep. To work together to make this work. Yeah. Right. Yep. Looks good. Yeah. Love the energy. Wow. Okay, there you go.
The fact that you're beginning to make this perfect. First project is visual, it's musical, and every piece you build teaches you something real. Here's the honest roadmap. What we're building. Browser-based 808 sample that runs in any browser, Chrome, Safari, etc. No installation needed. You drag in an 808 wave file, see the waveform, tweak and attack and reverb, and trigger notes. Think of it as your own mini instrument. Okay. The learning stack in order. HTML, the structure, what's on the page. Okay. 2, CSS, the style. CSS, the style, how it looks. 3, JavaScript, the behavior, what it does. 4, Web Audio API, the sound engine built into every browser, handles waveform, reverb, and envelopes. You don't need to master any of these before starting. You learn by reading and modifying code that already works.
Nice.
Your actual first steps. 1, download VS Code, free code editor at code.visualstudio.com. This is where you'll write and edit everything. Get Chrome. If you don't have it, best browser for audio development. Start with the prototype I'm about to build. Read through it, change one thing at a time, see what breaks and why. That's how you learn fastest. Right now, I'll build you the full working prototype. Waveform display, attack knob, reverb control, drag and drop 808 loading. You'll be able to open it in your browser today and start using and modifying it. Ready?
So do you want it to just do it for you?
Yeah. I mean, I want to learn in the process, but yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
There you go. So we say. So well, I guess actually let's start here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to do that stuff first and then say go?
Yeah,
or so
yeah.
you want to download Visual Studio Code,
yep,
and then get Chrome, and then have it build it.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead then and do that.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get Chrome first, actually.
Yeah, either one.
Okay. Okay. Let me just make sure I don't have it. Nope, I do not.
No, well, you would search for Chrome.
Oh yeah. Okay. Nope. Okay. Download Chrome.
Alright, so do that and download VS Studio Code.
Yep.
And then
I just did it twice by accident. I'm in Google. Already this in this location. You want me to copy it?
replace, yeah. Replace.
Yeah. So we go open it.
Alright, see if you can open it.
Oh wait, no. Okay. Okay.
I would close that and then
Close this. Yeah.
let's see if you can open Chrome.
Yeah. Oh, Chrome. Yeah. Let's see.
Oh,
Oh,
there
nice.
it
Dang,
is.
that was quick.
I would not.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying yet.
No. You don't need to sign
Yeah,
in.
no, I don't think so.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. The open source AI code editor. Your home for multi-agent development. Okay, now I download this.
Yep.
For Mac OS. Okay.
Good, bud.
Yes, sir.
What do you think so far?
I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I'm excited to see how this works. Okay.
There it is right there.
Oh, yeah.
Studio Code. So you got them both.
Yes, sir.
So just close all that stuff.
Yeah. Oh, why did I close it? Close. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, get started with VS Code.
No, don't. You don't need to click any of that stuff.
Yeah.
Just go to the left. Should say like open
Yeah.
folder. Up there. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. No,
So
okay,
open
open folder.
So you don't need to do anything yet. So just cancel that,
Okay.
and you can minimize FLStudio.
Okay.
So Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can minimize Chrome.
Yep.
Or whichever one you want to be out of.
This is Chrome.
If you want to be in Chrome, just do. Okay, so
Yep.
close. Okay, so there you go.
Yep.
So you can say, just tell it.
Mm-hmm.
I've downloaded.
Yep.
And I have VS Code open.
Yeah.
And I got Chrome and it's open.
Yep.
So here's the interesting part: is you're not going to know anything about what it says.
Yeah.
Right. Once it builds it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that! It made the whole thing
nice.
there. Do you have a file?
Like 808 file.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
No, like see, like right there. Browse.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, oh it's just
Yeah,
just showing.
dropping down,
it's
but
just
I can put it
just,
into code.
Well, it's just showing you a
what it looks
description
like.
of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, actually, maybe you can try it now.
It doesn't. Oh god, I need that. Browse for sample. Oh, that's fire. Hold up. Where's my? Not that one. Here I go. This spins 808. Oh, that's fire. Can I turn the attack up?
Yeah.
Yo. That's fire. Oh, I like that.
You gotta turn the volume up.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. You ready? Nice. Yeah, this is awesome. Okay.
So, is there anything else you would want different?
Honestly, like probably like I could lengthen like the note itself, so it plays instead of like this, it plays for like longer, you know.
Okay, so that would be adding it's not delay. It's not so you have attack, you have delay, you have reverb. You could ask it. You could say, I want to length. What do you mean lengthen? You're saying just so you hold it down?
Yeah, so it stays. Yeah, it plays the same note for longer.
Oh, I think that's but it's just showing you that 808. If you put it in your FLStudio, you can just hold it down, right?
No. If I put it in FLStudio, it plays the sample as it is. It doesn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well then, you just need to go back in. So read what it says, right? You don't need to read out loud necessarily, but and then you can say, hey, this looks great, but here's what else I would like.
Yeah.
Right? And you can just say that.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's the okay. So the decay is how long the tail rings out before cutting off.
Okay, so there you go. So change the decay.
Yeah, it's more like a reverb, but yeah.
Well, if it's wrong, then you need to check. Because is it just making the same sound?
Yeah, it's making the same sound. It's just making it more like.
So here's a perfect example of where, hey, it's telling you, hey, this thing's perfect, and you're listening to it, and you're like, actually, it doesn't do exactly. So you need to give feedback. Say, actually, it doesn't seem like it's doing that correctly.
Yeah.
So go ahead and you can tell it that.
Yeah.
And you can say in the example you gave me, basically, right? And this is again part of the process of saying. It's not perfect.
Yep.
It's a tool.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? Because you're the one building it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's helping you. So this is a good example of how, because you do already have expertise here, you can say, hey, wait a minute, that something's not right here.
Yeah.
Right? And I think that's an important point to make.
Definitely.
The other thing, though, is it hasn't given you the files that you need yet.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And so that's something that you may need to ask for here once you play with it and see if it's where you want it to be.
Yep.
Now the other option is you can just take it as is, and then you can load it into VS Code.
Yep.
And then you
And
can ask it and say, hey, this is how I want to change it.
Yeah.
And then you can just take its direction while you type if you want.
Yep.
So let's start it. Let's see if this works better. So it's still loading.
Yeah, it's still loading, yeah.
But remember, there we go. Okay, so let's see what they changed.
Okay, let's see here.
So we'll go ahead and,
Yep.
you do however you want to do it. You test it.
Okay. Yep. Okay. So changing the thing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So it's actually lengthening the whole note now. So if I bring it like up all the way here.
Okay, look at that.
Yeah.
See?
Yep. Yeah.
Nice.
And then attack. Which is so good. Oh, nice. Yep. Okay. And then. Yeah, I like that. Release. Yeah, this is definitely sounding a lot better. This is exactly what I was thinking about.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, say, this looks great. Now, how do I make this
Yeah, how do I make this download
remember,
feature? Yep.
This is success criteria. Now,
yeah, exactly.
Now, if we change the success criteria to be just web application, that's okay.
Yeah.
But then we need to redefine that. You don't necessarily have to rewrite it, but you have to redefine it and say, okay, show me how I can, for example, use this. So how would you now want to use this? You would want, is that something you would then download? Because if you go back up, you can see it says, go down.
Yep.
It says, see, play sample.
For example.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't know what that does. But basically ask it, how do I get that new whatever it is out that you want?
Yeah.
Or how do I load that in? Basically, how do I use this is the real question.
So like in my mind, what I want to have it is like either like a web, like I can click on it as like my I'm click on a website, right? And this is just like the whole thing, and then I can download this sound from that web application.
As you change it,
yeah,
so you change it, you're like, I like this, and
Yep.
then you click a button and you can download it as a WAV file.
Yep, yeah, exactly.
So that's what you need to tell it.
Yep.
This is what you want to do.
Mm-hmm.
And remember,
Yeah.
emphasize, I've never built a website.
Yep.
I don't know how to host anything.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't necessarily, it doesn't need to, you tell it, does it need to be on the internet or can it just be on your computer?
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
if it just needs to be on your computer,
Mm-hmm.
it can be super easy.
Yeah, exactly.
If you want it to be such that other people use it, it's a different problem.
Yep.
So,
Yeah.
so go ahead and tell it what you want there.
Okay, so I said, this sounds great. I would like to have this as either a website I can go to or have it on my Mac downloaded, on which I can change around the 808 and then download it as a WAV file into my Mac. I would like to reiterate that I've never done this before.
Nice. Okay, look at that. So it's just one file.
Yep. Yeah.
And then once you download it, you just ask it, how do I run it?
Yeah.
It's probably just a double click or how, just
exactly.
click open.
Yep.
And then you got it. And then proof would be,
It works.
oh, look at that.
Yep. Oh, nice.
You want to test it?
Yeah. Okay, let's see here.
You got to put, remember, you got to put
Oh, yeah,
sample
you're
in.
right. So I can change.
And it looks like you can scroll for pitch.
Oh, yeah. What? Let me see.
Look, see? That's like the slider.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't see that. Yep. Okay, and then so this is how I like it right here. Oh, that's on fire. It's like that, like drill music.
Oh, yeah. No,
Yeah.
Sure enough.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and look, I can export it. So I changed the note length right here. So this sounds good. And I can export it.
Yep. Where'd it go?
I don't know. I want to see.
All right, so wait a minute.
Yep. Is this it right? No, that's
No, that's not it. Just close it.
Yep.
All right, so you can actually just X out of that for now.
Okay.
Because it's just over here, the little X. It's just because it's just showing you what it did. So just hit X out of that too. Okay, so read what it says.
Yeah. Okay. Step 1: save the file. Click the download button above. It will save as 808sampler.html, most likely in your downloads folder in your Mac. Step 2, or let me just do that real quick.
Okay. Down, you'll scroll down.
Yep.
There you go. Download.
Download.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, no.
Yep.
Go back
Yeah,
to
not
the,
yet.
Yep.
Okay. Step 2: open it in Chrome. Open Chrome, then drag the 808 sampler HTML file straight into the Chrome window, or go to File, then Open File in Chrome, and find it in your Downloads folder. You'll see the full app. Step 3: load your 808, drop a WAV file onto the drop zone, or click Browse your Mac to find one. Step 4: shape your sound, dial in your attack, note length, release, and reverb until it sounds exactly how you want. Step 5: export. Hit Export as WAV. Chrome will download a file called your sample edited.wav straight to your Mac, ready to drag into FLStudio. The export renders exactly what you hear. Your envelope and reverb baked in. The piano keys let you preview the 808 at different pitches before you export. Want to add anything to it, like pitch tuning, knob, or a volume control? Okay, this sounds really good. Yeah, probably not, because I can do that in FLStudio already.
Right, so now what you need to do is test it. So you downloaded it, so now you need to open Chrome and see if it'll work in Chrome, and see if you can actually, get it to export.
Yeah, exactly.
Remember, you gotta upload your file first, right?
Okay. Yeah, and then some try. Go here. Yeah, that sounds good. I really like that. Yeah, this is exactly how I want it. So let's see if I can export it. Oh, nice. Oh,
all right, now pull it into FLStudio to see if you can actually use it.
Okay, so I'm gonna go.
So you can full screen that.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, that's close enough. Okay. Oh, I cannot do that in full screen.
That's okay.
Yep. There you go. And then it's on Google Chrome right now, so open it.
No, it's no, it should be in your downloads.
Okay. Let me check. Find here. I guess it downloads. No, that's not it.
Where did it go? I thought I saw it.
Yeah, I don't know. It could be down.
What was it called?
It was called. Here, let me check.
You should be able to just go to the downloads thing and click on it. Up there? Yep, right there. Yep. All right.
So that's the sampler itself, not the edited file.
Go back to the plugin.
Oh, it's on Google Chrome right now. Okay, so
that's it right there. The way.
So
there you go. Open that.
Okay, there
that's
we go.
where
Okay,
it is.
now,
So it's right there.
Yep.
All right. Perfect.
Okay. So open the FLStudio. Drop it in here. Oh, this is fire. So that can go to piano roll. Oh, I want to make sure. Okay. So that will stop it from the notes overlapping. So I can go. So now it works. Now it works in FLStudio. That's awesome. I don't think that was gonna work that quickly. Yeah, that's awesome.
Nice.
Damn.
That's
I like
what
it.
it is.
Yeah.
Good job,
now I have that.
Cool.
All right.
All right. That's
like
it.
Nice.
Go to bed.
Yes, sir.